If you work in Microsoft Word often, document templates can save you a huge amount of time. Instead of starting from a blank page every single time, you can open a ready-made layout and begin with the structure already done for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use document templates in Microsoft Word, and by the end, you'll know how to find one, open it, and start creating faster. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word opens, look at the top left corner and click File. This is where you'll find the main options for creating a new document, opening recent files, and accessing different document types. From the menu, select New. This takes you to the template screen, where Microsoft Word gives you a wide selection of pre-built document designs. Here, you can either browse through the featured templates or use the search bar to find something specific. For example, you might search for a resume, letter, invoice, calendar, report, or newsletter, depending on what you need to create. If you already know the kind of document you want, using the search bar is the fastest way to narrow things down. If not, take a moment to scroll through the available options and see what fits your project best. Once you find a template you want to use, click on it to preview the layout. This preview is helpful because it lets you check the formatting, style, and overall design before you start working. Make sure it includes the sections you need and looks appropriate for your document. After that, click Create. Word will open the template as a new document, and now you can start editing the placeholder text, changing the content, and customizing it for your own needs. You can replace the sample wording with your own information, update headings, add your details, and adjust the formatting if needed. The best part is that the structure is already built for you, so you can focus more on the content and less on the design. If you plan to use templates regularly, it's a good idea to explore a few different styles so you know what's available. Microsoft Word has templates for business documents, school projects, personal forms, and many other use cases. So whether you're making a polished report or a simple letter, there's probably a template that can help speed things up. And that's really all there is to it. You just open Word, go to File, choose New, search or browse for a template, and click Create. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how quickly you work. If this video is useful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.